Here we go. So this is the high semi future SSD M.2 NVMe. Sometimes you see it's rating 1 TB and sometimes it's rating 1024 MB. It's the same as 1 terabyte. If you get confused, just don't get confused. So this, we're gonna open this package and we're gonna see what's in there. But it's a very interesting SSD. It's very small, but it works like crazy. So when you open it, it comes with the manual, and then the interesting thing is that it comes with a Phillips screwdriver and a screw in the rubber, just for inconvenience sake. In case you're fixing it somewhere and you don't get a screw, you can use this screw in the rubber here to just fix it anywhere. So it's very good. I was very happy with the packaging. You see the screwdriver right there, and then the device itself is right there. Anytime you're trying to work on this kind of SSD, or even the long one, this is the shorter one. Never touch the socket area where the goals are, either the earth or the main socket area. Don't touch it. Just try to avoid that, because you don't know whatever is on your hand. This is a very expensive device and you don't want to play with it. So see how I was handling it. Yes, I didn't want to touch the golden area, and even if I touch, I might probably touch where there's a hole there, like the earth side, but I wouldn't even go straight to the earth side, because I have to be very careful with it. It's an electronic device. This is a hard drive, you can say a hard drive, but this is an SSD. It doesn't have a spin disk, so you have to be very careful with it. You know, with a normal HDD, it has a spin disk, whereby if there's a problem with the board, you can always get the disk to a good mechanism or technician to get your data back. But this is a bit difficult. So the earth is very important. It's reduce any problem coming to the main disk, so you don't touch it rough. Okay, don't just avoid touching the gold inside. So this is the package, and it's very cool. I was gonna fix it on the board. The problem was that the board was meant for the longer slot, and this was the short one. I had wanted to use a tape so that I can hold it down, because if it's like this, it's not gonna read. But if you have to press it down in order for it to read. But later I realized that I needed the earth. The earth is very good that I secure it using the earth. So I got an extender, which was very helpful, and I used the extender to fix it on the board. So this the full video on this HP curve will be posted soon. How to open it and how to remove the hard drive and replace it with the M.2. It's on the full video, and it's very interesting. You gotta handle it with care. It's a curved screen, so yeah.
People are starting to lose it. He exposed the consequences, while the West chooses to turn a blind eye to what's going on.
As well as people, the responses. The women are trying to